man, I am so tired from the first job. Oh man, I'm exhausted. This is Tuesday. I did not touch the car at all yesterday. I came home and I just ate and slept, and today I'm basically doing the same thing. But I'm pretty excited because my fog lights finally came in. Fog light bulbs. And I need to do something, so I'm gonna work on that. At least I did something today. I'll feel better about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna pop this one in here and see if it matches that bulb or that bulb, because I have all these other LEDs here. So I have quite a few. And I'll see which one's closer, and I'll keep those headlight bulbs with those fog light bulbs. So I guess I'll do that right now. Other than that, I sold my wheels. So wheels around here, I think I already told you I sold those off. And then I had some Craze wheels. They came with my MR2, if you remember. I don't know if I showed that in the video or not. These, I forgot my wording. Whatever they are, 3-piece wheels. I got those. And I thought they were going to be hard to sell. So some guy offered to trade me for some Koenigs, some gold ones. They're like brand new with tires. So I traded those yesterday, right after work on my way home. And I took them to work today, and I ended up trading them again or selling them off. So now I only have the STI wheels. I don't have any others. I'm going to hit up Gummy Grip. I hit them up on Sunday, but they weren't open. They said he'd get back to me. He never did. He forgot. It's normal. He does that. But so hopefully I'll have wheels and tires ordered tomorrow, and hopefully they'll be here by the weekend so I can put the new wheels on the STI and put these on here, the Advans. Probably bored at looking at this and listening to me, but hey, there's a Ducati. Look at that. I'm going to do the lights now because I'm going to go to bed. Remembered I was going to show you the inside of this. So when you open this up, it's only got the one plug. And inside it has 2 bulbs. And the way it was powered factory from this port, which, look at that, it's so weird. Oh, it's got 3 in there, so there's 3. Ooh, I wonder if I can steal that for my parking light idea. Anyway, and then they go into this driving light bulb and then the actual fog light. But no matter what switches I press inside, it was always this one, this little guy. And it would light this up, but it was never bright. I don't know if they're supposed to be like a daytime running light and a fog light or what, but it was never working. So I'm not sure what the deal is. So I just went ahead and, like I said before, because I just cut this and routed it to the main one instead of this one. And it worked perfectly. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. But hey, there you go. Done. Let's take a look. Oh, I think I turned on this camera for nothing. I think my battery's connected. It's not. Ay, ay, ay. Just for now. Okay, so this is like I was saying, only the side bulb. Stupid. Here we are with new LED bright. Oh my God, those are bright. Holy cow. All right, what looks more better? Man, I think the older ones look better because these are kind of, you can't tell in here, can you? Can I bring down the brightness? Would that help? Yeah, that can help. So that one's like blue in that, and this is way more white. I think the old ones look better. Yeah. I think I'm gonna stick with the old ones. Sucks to spend all this money on these, but these look just as good. Oh man, this is tough. I think these are even brighter. I'm gonna stick with these. Man, this is tough. Yeah, I'm sticking with those for sure. All right, so put the old ones back in, and then I'll wire up this fog light to do the right things. It's just a side one. It's super dim. All right, so I'm going to do the rest off camera because there's no point in you watching me switch out light bulbs. So I'm going to work on that right meow. Bye. See you tomorrow. Man, oh man. It's now Saturday. I've been just so tired. I slept 12 or 14 hours. Finally out here. Did a bad job filming, but why do I call it filming? There's no film. Recording. But Thursday, I just went ahead and threw all the coilovers on. So that's all done. I put all the interior back. So that's all back in there. And I've decided to skip the timing belt so I can enjoy the car this weekend for gears and grinds and such. And it just motivated me to actually work on it and put it back together. I had to wait for lug nuts, and they finally came in. But here are the wheels for the STI. I can't remember if I showed them. I test fit one to make sure it fits. And it sure did. It just barely clears the caliper. Barely. So right now I'm going to put all those on it. I still got the advans in the rear. So switch those all out. Put some tire shine on there. Let's see here, right here. I love tire shine. And then I was gonna clean these up real good, but I mean, they aren't too bad. And I put these advans on the Z. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna swap over all the tires onto the STI, put those over here. Then I'm gonna put tires on the Z, set on the ground, and see what the coilovers are set to. See if it's high enough or low enough to where I can just go and drive. So I'll update you once I'm about to lower it. Oof. Oof. Such good wheels. And yeah, the STIs, they look. I don't know if you can see them too good. Other side. I'm digging it. I'm digging it quite a bit. Looks good. Time to clean these up, and then, yeah, on the ground. Take a moment to just acknowledge how gorgeous these wheels are. God. This is not the final form of what I'm going to do to this car. I just had them, and I don't know what color I'm going to make the 300. If I'm going to do... I'm almost debating on making it the same color as the STI. But that's when I figure out the wheels. So I just have these because, I mean, these are expensive-ass wheels. I don't need them on the STI, you know. See, it's just a daily beater. But those look great on there. So eventually we'll figure out what color I'm going. Then I'll get different wheels for this, or get these powder coated or whatever. And then, or I'll switch these onto the STI and get better ones for this. I don't know. We will see whatever happens. But time to put on some lug nuts and drop it. Two things. One, so the center cap has this nut, so it won't go on all the way. And, I mean, that is not pretty. We need these in there. I mean, do I just put them halfway out like that and hope they don't fall out? I mean, that's tragic. I guess we have to look into some of that bulge out. Did Advan even make any like that? Oh, that's upsetting. Second of all, look at those lug nuts. Generic ass black lug nuts are the way to go. Screw this weird red ugly shit. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm tired. Sweating my balls off. All right. About to go down first time. So she said. I'm trying to find something to set my phone on here. So that. Yeah, that'll give you an idea, and then I'll show you. All right, here I go. Here I go. Do I need to adjust them? Huh. Both the e-brake for a sec. Huh, it's about stock, really. And go way lower. All right, now I know. It's not terrible, though. That might be low enough to just drive around today. Might set a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Not horrible. I can deal with that. I guess I will go change and then go take a little ride and see how horrible these $100 coilovers are. That's right, $100.
Oh, wait, I got a photo idea.
All right, here it is, out and about.
It'll be...
Pretty happy with it.
I love it.
It could be a little lower,
I love it.
but I might leave it for a little bit.
I love it.
We'll see. Radio next. Are you flashing us? I mean, there's few far between, but that thing. Remember that's like the drive, that KTM? But that's fun as hell.
We were passing to get every single one of them with love attention and fucking, you know, bring.
Oh, midnight club. Always have a special place in my heart for those. Always. 300. Next is the radio. Gotta do this radio. Oh, we're racing. We're racing. You got me. Nice. Yeah, radio's next. Oh, I'll probably start it tonight. Yeah, I think so. Alright. It's like 11, but I really wanted to do this. Let's pull out the radio. I'm very curious if you know about how Japanese cars are. They usually have the shittiest wiring in the world. I am paranoid. Oh, God, there it goes. Oh, I can't see anything yet. Give me a sec. Oh, my Jesus. This did not disappoint. Oh, my good. Oh, my God. What is all this? Oh, my goodness. What's in here? RCA's to this? Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is going to be fun.